Do you like music? So let's learn A to Z musical instruments names. A for accordion. A for accordion. A for Alphorn. A for Alphorn. B for bagpipes. B for bagpipes. B for banjo. B for banjo. C for cello. C for cello. C for clarinet. C for clarinet. D for drum kit. D for drum kit. D for dulcimer. D for dulcimer. E for electric guitar. E for electric guitar. E for euphonium. E for euphonium. F for flute. F for flute. F for French horn. F for French horn. G for gong. G for gong. G for guitar. G for guitar. H for harmonica. H for harmonica. H for harp. H for harp. I for idiophone. I for idiophone. I for Irish flute. I for Irish flute. J for jaw harp. J for jaw harp. J for jingle bells. J for jingle bells. K for Kalimba. K for Kalimba. K for Koto. K for Koto. L for lute. L for lute. L for lyre. L for lyre. M for mandolin. M for mandolin. M for marimba. M for marimba. N for Nyckelharpa. N for Nyckelharpa. N for native assmerian flute. N for native assmerian flute. O for oboe. O for oboe. O for ocarina. O for ocarina. P for piano. P for piano. P for Piccolo. P for Piccolo. Q for Qanum. Q for Quanum. Q for Quena. Q for Quena. R for Rebab. R for Rebab. R for Rebab. R for Rebab. S for saxophone. S for saxophone. S for sitar. S for sitar. T for tambourine. T for tambourine. T for trombone. T for trombone. U for ukulele. U for ukulele. U for upright bass. U for upright bass. V for veena. V for veena. V for violin. V for violin. W for washboard. W for washboard. W for wood block. W for wood block. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X for shun. X for shun. Y for uane. Y for uane. Y for yes hang. Y for yes hang. Z for zither. Z for zither. Z for zabumba. Z for zabumba. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for new videos.